Hi folks, Joey Ricard with TrackSideScenery.com. Welcome back. Yes, we all have that list of those that came before and have inspired us in our modeling efforts. For me, right at the top of that list is the one and only Howard Zane. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at a virtual model railroad masterpiece. So much so that it's provided me with endless inspiration over the years. Howard's layout is so large that there's no way you could take it all in one visit. As a matter of fact, you could get lost down there in that basement. It's like a cave system. I'm just glad Howard didn't turn off the lights while I was down there. Alright, so this video is just a basic walk around or overview of the layout. As a photographer, I'd love to stay down here all day long, but there just wasn't time, so these are the raw, unedited cell phone clips. You may hear some music in the background from time to time. That's a band Howard's in. It's called the New Southern Cal Tippers, and they were actually upstairs playing in the living room while we were down running around his basement. Now, before I stop talking and become more of a nuisance, I want to let you know that Howard has a couple of websites that you can visit. All you have to do is go to Google and type in Howard Zane, Z-A-N-E.
And he went like he was coming out, he went pull himself up, pull the lamp up, literally pulled it off. Yeah. Oh, that's Sally, that's FM. Is it? Yeah, that's FM, Buckland Millimeter. This is all different from what that is. That's I need a bass now. No, I still don't have. This is only double deck.
That's what we'll go next. We'll put a helix to put everything down below.
I'm going to be dubbing over it anyway. Well, I did have this whole layout to myself until this guy shows up. Poor little fool. You just can't get it all in. You and Allen, the colors all one. I can't get my color together.